So this week in the Director's Cut, I want to talk about something that I'm really passionate about. This is probably the most important thing I think you need to get right if you're looking to build a new home, especially if you're building on the hill. So we like to call it a design triangle. That's your engineer, your architect, and your builder. Now, often with building projects, people will engage an architect. The architect will work through the design, and they get to the other end. It goes out to tender. Builders price it, and often what happens in that process is that it gets designed. You've had one person leading the design, and you've not got the best outcome out of that. It gets to the other end, ends up the project costs a lot more than what it could have, and the project may or may not proceed. Now, if you're going to build, I think everyone can agree that if you've got three experts all focusing on the same, all focusing on their areas, now you're going to get a much better outcome out of the project. As a builder, we're really good with methodologies. How's that going to work on the hill? What does that mean in regards to dollars? We engage a QS. We're making sure that the budget's getting kept really tight as we're progressing through the plans. You've got an engineer that we can work with. One that's going to have pragmatic solutions, one that's going to be able to think outside the box and come up with the best methods for that project. And then your architect. How's it going to look? Having their input. How we're going to keep it weather tight. And how we're really going to get it looking exactly like the client wants. Now, all them people have got a really important job to do. And what I would say is, when you start out in a journey, you want to make sure that whatever way it happens, you've got all three of them people on board. Don't go alone with a builder, and don't go alone with an architect. You want your dream team working together to get you the best possible outcome. So that's the advice I give. So if you're looking to build on the hill, talk to us, and we can engage our dream team and then get you the very best outcome. Cheers. Scott from Strathclyde, building your dreams from the ground up.